Now here we taken again one example regarding Newton's interpolation formula. From the following table, estimate the number of students who obtain marks between 40 and 45. So this problem is, we have familiar with this problem. Here the data is given, the marks in the range 30 to 40, number of students are 31. So we'll understood that data first and then we'll conclude what we have to find out. Marks between 40 to 50, there are 42 students. Marks between 60 to 70, there are 35 students, and respectively so on. Now the question is, obtain the marks between 40 and 45. What it means? We have to find out the range 40 to 45. So in this range, how many students are there? So in the range, that is, how many students are there for having the marks between 40 to 45? Now initially this is a group data, or it is in the range. We'll put up this in a ungrouped form. Difference table is marks, number of students, but this we have to first understood and then we are able to put the data here. Marks 30 to 40, there are 31 students. Suppose I mention here marks less than 40, less than 40. How many students are there? So marks less than 40, there are 31 students. Understood the data here first. Now next question is, how many students are there for the marks less than 50? Now here 30 to 40, there are 31 students. 40 to 50, there are 42 students. So the question is, how many students below 50? So in this case, we'll take the addition of these two. So conclude here. Once again, below 40, there are 31 students we have. Now below 50, how many students are there? In this range, there are 31. In this range, there are 42. But below 50, if you consider, then these two we have to add, and that becomes below 50. Similarly, below 60. In this range, there are 31. In this range, there are 52. In this range, there are 51. But below 60, if we want to calculate, then we have to take addition of all these three values. So 31 plus 42 plus 51, and that value is 124. So here X column directly they have not given. We have to find out by understanding this. Next 70, below 70. So take the addition of all this 31, 42, 51 plus 35, which is equals to 159, and below 80 I will write down directly, or you can conclude like this: 159 plus this 31, if we add, then it become 190. So this is our Y column. So in this problem, X and Y directly they have not given, we have to conclude like this. Now we'll see what is our question. We have to find out the range 40 to 45. How we can complete this? Now we have below 40 students. Below 40 students. How many students are there? 31. Now what we'll find by using Newton's interpolation? Below 45 students. By using this data, what will complete? find out number of students below 45 marks. So we got here below 40, we got here below 45. Then how will complete this range? Students in the range 40 to 45. So 45, suppose we have number of students are B, then B minus 31 is nothing but our range. See here, now we have below 40, 31 students, below 45, greater than 31, suppose we have that number, obviously that number is suppose B. Now the range will get below 40 जितने भी students है, if we'll delete, if we'll minus from this number of students of below 45, then B minus 31, it gives me the range 40 to 45. So this is our conclusion for this problem. Now we'll complete first the difference table. I am directly writing here 42. So there are some logical problems in this Newton's interpolation. So by understanding the given question, we'll conclude our discussion. Now, what I am completing here? Question is not there, but I concluded below 40 there are 31. Now I have to find below 45 how many students are there. Sorry. Now for this discussion, I am starting value of P is equals to x minus x0 upon h. Value of x is 45, x0 is 40, h the difference 10, and 5 divided by 10, that is 0.5. Now, Newton's forward interpolation formula is y is equals to P. We are using here forward interpolation formula. Now, we have assumed this is x0 value, so this becomes y0, and we'll take the values accordingly in this table. Y0 value 31, P 0.5, delta square cube raised to 4, this values 42 plus 0.5 minus 1 upon 2 into 9. One more term will complete here into minus of 25 plus so on, which is equals to 31 plus 21 minus 1.445. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I taken here 5 terms actually. Fifth term also I have calculated and mentioned that value. So y at 45 we have find that value it is 48.168. You add here one fifth term and then you will get this expression 1.445. So what we have find, number of students below 45 and they are approximately 48. So this will consider 48. So number of students less than 45, 48. Similarly, number of students below 40, we have 31. If we take the subtraction of this, (48) minus 31, so the number of students in between 40 to 45 marks, it is 48 minus 31, which is equals to 17. So we find here the range 40 to 45, there are 17 students. So this is a logical question actually, and the data has been given in a group form. This table we have performed, that table we call it as a cumulative frequency table. Cumulative frequency table. When we are adding the next number, these two numbers, and we'll get the next value of y. Previous two numbers if we'll add, then we'll get the next number. This activity or the procedure is called cumulative frequency. So this problem we complete by using the Newton's forward interpolation, and we find here the range 40 to 45. Thank you.